Dear students, I am sharing some last minute tips to score good marks in mathematics. First and the foremost thing is the formula. Make a list of all the formula and keep memorizing. Revise your NCERT book thoroughly, all questions, all examples. Practice MCQs and skill based questions from NCERT Exemplar. Try to manage time by solving full length practice papers with set time limits. Long answer questions are scoring and are generally from 3D calculus probability, so prepare accordingly. Write down proper steps for solving a question as stepwise marking provision is there. Memorize principal value branch, graphs of trigonometric functions, basic relations between adjoint and determinant of matrices, application of chain rule, maxima minima conditions thoroughly. Do not forget to write C in the questions of indefinite integral. Read the case based questions carefully as the answer of most of the questions have already been given there. Last but not the least, use your reading time properly to choose out the section from which you need to start the paper. All the very best. May God bless you.